Alright, to start it off, I use the Nerf gun to shoot that cup out of the way, and then when that cup falls, this swings and hits that DVD, which hits that DVD and hits that one, which makes the dominoes fall, which will hit this ball, which will hit that ball, which will hit that ball, which will roll down the tube and knock that domino down, and then it's connected to this, so that'll pull out of the way, and then this ball will roll down, and then it'll go along the path, hit the ping pong paddle, bounce, and then close the book. Ready? Trial one. Come on. Yeah! Trial two. Yeah! Last trial. Yeah! A projectile is used in the Rube Goldberg machine when I shoot the gun and the bullet travels and hits that cup. And the bullet will travel at the same horizontal velocity because there are no forces acting on it until it hits the cup and stops. So the forces were shown in my Rube Goldberg machine when this lanyard fell and hit the DVDs because the DVDs were originally at rest, but the lanyard was a force which causes them to change their motion. And according to Newton's first law, the DVDs would have remained at rest unless a force acted on them. Conservation of momentum is shown when the ping pong balls hit each other because they're perfectly elastic, so that means that no energy is lost and none is lost due to friction because this is a smooth surface. And at the end, the velocity is the same because energy is conserved. Conservation of energy is shown when this ping pong ball, originally at rest, speeds up because of its change in height. And the energy from the change in height will equal the velocity of the ball at the bottom because energy is conserved. Okay. So at first I struggled with trying to think of a way to get it started, but once I thought of that, then I managed to set the rest of it up pretty fast. Once it worked the first time, I was super excited, but it was only 8 seconds long, so then I had to think of a way to make it longer. Once I made it long enough, I struggled with setting it up a lot because some of the pieces would start going before I was ready. But what went well is that I got it to work 3 times and it turned out pretty dope.